Welcome to greytHR. In this video, we'll show you how to post jobs on job boards and manage an agency on greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. From your greytHR admin portal, go to Recruit, Settings, Company Integrations. Under the job board section, toggle to enable Zwayam Amplify. Enter the Zwayam API key, then click Update. Once that's done, you can enable Naukri, IIM Jobs, and high-risk jobs based on your recruitment needs. Now that the integration is set up, let's publish a job on Naukri. If you want to publish an existing job, go to Recruit, Jobs, select the job card, and click Edit. Head over to Sourcing, Job Boards, choose the location, industry, and salary options. Then click Publish. Finally, hit Save and Exit to confirm. If you're publishing a new job, go to Recruit, Jobs, and click plus Add Job. Follow the usual steps to add a job. Then go to Sourcing, select the location, industry, and salary options, and click Publish. This will post the job on Naukri, IIM Jobs, and highrisk.com, depending on your selection. Need to make changes to a job that's already published? No problem. Go to Recruit, Jobs, select the job card, and click Edit. Under Sourcing, Job Boards, make the necessary updates, then click Update to apply the changes. If you want to unpublish a job from Naukri, go to Recruit, Jobs, select the job card, and click Edit. Navigate to Sourcing, Job Boards, then click Unpublish to remove the job listing. Now let's explore how to manage recruitment agencies. This feature can only be enabled by the Recruit app admin. To access the agency page, go to Settings, Agencies in the greytHR Recruit portal. From here, you can add new agencies and manage points of contact for each one efficiently. To add a new agency, click plus Add New Agency. Enter the agency's name in the text box. Then add the SPOC email ID, that's the single point of contact for the agency. Click Save to store the details. To add multiple SPOC under an agency, then click plus Add New. Enter an additional email ID as a point of contact and click Save. You can repeat this step to add as many SPOCs as needed. Once added, assign the job to the agency from the sourcing page. The agency will receive an email notification with a link to the agency portal where the designated SPOC can access and manage the job seamlessly. And that's it. With job board integration and agency management in greytHR Recruit, you can streamline your hiring process and make recruitment smoother than ever. Let's move on to the next step, adding candidates to a job.